Hi everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the reset network settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to know about the settings of your device Vivo Y22s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the reset network settings of your device.